Pro tips to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Hey guys, if you wanted to do affiliate marketing, really wanted to know what you needed to do and how to really truly be successful, cut out all the wasted time, you've come to the right video. If you watch to the very end, I'm going to give you all the pro tips that you need to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, and we're starting right now. Before we get too much into this, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this type of content, hit that subscription button down there. Don't forget to ring the bell. Once you subscribe, a bell will pop up. You want to turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live. Now, affiliate marketing, first off, is not a new thing. Affiliate marketing has been around before there was even an internet. I mean, people were sending people to businesses and referring them and getting referral fees from it. It's just been going on forever. But now with the internet, anybody can refer any business and make money and do it really quickly if you know how to do it properly. Otherwise, if you don't know how to do it properly, you're just going to waste your time. We don't want you to do that. That's why I put together this video to help you out. Now at the end of this video, I also want to give you a free course. It's a $97 course. You can get it absolutely free. All you have to do is click and learn. So let's jump right into this and let's talk about affiliate marketing. Let me give you an overview basically of how affiliate marketing works. Let's say you create a blog, you're writing articles on your blog, or let's say you're posting information on Twitter or Facebook or whatever, and it's information to help people out. Maybe it's cooking. Okay, so let's say you're doing cooking videos and you use a certain kind of pots and pans and knives or whatever, and below in the video you're going to have links to those products. When people click those links and they buy that product or they buy other products from that site, you get paid a commission for sending those people there. So it's pretty slick. All you really have to do is create the content. You don't have to create the product. You don't have to ship out the product. You don't have to come up with a product. All you do is put links in your content. Now, of course, it helps if you can set up yourself as an authority on fitness. Maybe you're in great shape. That makes you an authority, right? Maybe it's cooking. Maybe you were a master chef or you had a restaurant. Maybe it is making money online. That's what I do. I make money online and I teach people how to make money online, and I still do that, and I do that every day. So people come to me to learn how to make money online. But whatever it is, you set yourself up as an authority, and when you do that, you offer products to them that you know will help them achieve their goals. Now let's kind of examine the pros and the cons of affiliate marketing, because there's certainly both. I would say one of the pros is you can make money all day long, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you're not really doing anything for that money. Now you have to put in the initial work. Yeah, you've got to set up the blog, you got to put the content out there, but once you have it there, people are coming to this location and clicking, and you're making money. That's pretty cool. But there's also cons to this too. The cons is it takes time. It takes time to build up that traffic. It takes time to get people to come to your blog. But if you continually do it, if you continually put out content, you will build up traffic. That's just the way it works. Now, once you've decided to do that, there's basically 3 steps. The first step is to find the affiliates and set up the relationships. Okay, find the affiliates, set up the relationships. Now there's basically 3 things you need to do. You need to find affiliates. You got to go out there and find affiliate products that you can actually market. Number 2, you've got to set up those relationships. Sometimes you have to apply to be an affiliate. Some are easier than others to get. You know, if you want to be an affiliate for Amazon, that's pretty much you just fill out the little form they have and boom, you're an affiliate. So you can do that. And then the third thing is you have to start setting up your affiliate advertising or affiliate pages. Now if you have a blog and you're an expert on a particular subject, I would highly recommend that you set up partnerships with products that would be very beneficial to your customers. Now this has changed over the years. It used to be that not too many companies really had affiliate programs set up. In other words, they didn't have the technology to drive customers to their site and pay you a commission. But a lot of that's changed nowadays. A lot of these big companies have affiliate programs. I have affiliate programs for my products, and I've been doing that for years now. If they don't have an affiliate program, all you need to do is really contact them, you know, let them know what you offer and how they can benefit and how you can benefit, because basically it is just new business for them. I'm a member of ShareASale and I have my products there, and I just list my products there, and it's just extra business for me. I have my products at ClickBank. I list my products there. It's extra business for me. So most companies are starting to become aware of affiliate marketing, and they're more open to it. Now there's a whole bunch of different ways to set up your ads, but maybe you are, I don't know, you sell computers. Okay, you want to sell computers, so what you do is you run an ad that is reviews of the top 10 laptop computers. You set up your affiliate relationships with those particular companies, that top 10, and then you go ahead and write your article. As you talk about each one of these laptop computers, you have a link, and that link, when clicked, is your affiliate link that goes back where they can actually buy that computer. When they buy that computer, you get a commission. It's really that simple. Maybe it's fitness. Maybe you're doing fitness videos and you want to show people how to get in shape, and as you show them how to get in shape, maybe there's certain protein powders that you recommend, maybe there's certain vitamins that you recommend, and you have links going to those products, and you set up your affiliate relationship with that particular company, and you get commissions every time they buy some of those products. Now, one of the best ways to do this is through a blog. It can be a video vlog, it can be a written blog, either one. When you set yourself up as somebody who's an expert in a particular area, and you write these articles, you do these videos, you will get traffic, and as you get traffic, they'll trust you and they will buy the product. Now I will say, don't try to do all this on your own. You want to get some guest bloggers. Writing blogs takes a lot of time. Get some guest bloggers and let them put some links back to their site or whatever they want. There's a lot of guest bloggers out there that would be more than happy to write blogs for your site. I would also tell you, take advantage of social media, especially if you have any kind of following at all. If you've already been doing videos on a particular subject, maybe it's, you know, working out, maybe it's cooking, whatever it is, take advantage of that. If you've already got that traffic there, start offering products to people who are already watching your videos. I know I have a following, and I can put a product out there and recommend it to somebody, and I'll recommend Kartra to you. There you go. I have an affiliate link in the description for Kartra, one of the best digital marketing softwares out there. If you're doing anything online, you got to have Kartra. If you click the link below, it is my affiliate link, but if you click the link below, you can actually watch a free video on what it does and how it does it. You're gonna love it. I mean, I got rid of 8 pieces of software when I got Kartra, and if you like it, you can get a trial for $1, and I'm an affiliate for that particular product, so I talk about that. But take advantage of the fact that maybe you already have some traffic out there that you can already use. And the one thing I'll tell you is, don't create fake content. Don't create fake content. An example of fake content is maybe there's 25 hair dryers, and you're going to do a review and say that you've tested out each one of these 25 hair dryers. Not really believable. Not really believable. Okay, the odds of you actually buying and testing out 25 hair dryers, probably not real believable if you're going to do that for a blog. So just, you know, if you're going to recommend a product, make sure it's a product that you use. I just recommended Kartra to you. I use Kartra every single day. I've used it for several years. I was one of the first adopters of Kartra, so I feel really good about recommending it. Don't ever recommend a product that you haven't personally used or examined or know some information about. Don't do that. Okay, don't say you use a product that you don't use. Now don't forget, you're really building a relationship with these people. Even though you're doing some affiliate marketing and you get paid on some of the products, make sure you're always giving them good content. Make sure you create videos that help them out. Make sure you write a blog that's actually helpful or entertaining to them. Okay, so make sure you're giving them good quality content, even if they don't buy your products or the stuff that you represent. And I'll tell you, the majority of the people will not. It's a very small portion of your audience that's actually ever going to buy anything. So the key to this is to do what? It's to create good content. If you do that, you're going to build trust, and you're being honest with your people, and in the long run you will win. Now when selecting your products, here's what you should do. Here's what you should do. Pick the really best products. When I recommend Kartra, I know that is hands down one of the best digital marketing softwares in the world. It's really that good. So I feel really good about representing that product. And here's the cool thing. If somebody is watching one of my videos and they hear me talk about Kartra, and they go out there and they get Kartra and it works really well for them, and they make a bunch of money, I've built up that trust. They're going to come back and they're going to watch more of my videos. So I've helped my own brand as well as made some money off that product. And my last thing I'm going to tell you is don't oversell. And what I mean by oversell is constantly be selling products to your audience. I don't market many products to my audience as an affiliate. I market some, but I know there's some bloggers and there's some YouTube people I've been watching for years, and they've gotten so ridiculous. They have a promotion at the beginning and the end of every single one of their videos now, and I got to sit through a minute or two of them talking about whatever product. I don't want to do that. So it makes me less likely to watch their videos because I know they're going to have so many commercials in it. One guy in particular, his whole video is turned into a commercial. He goes from one product to the next to the next, and he was supposed to be about personal grooming and all that, but now all he's doing is selling his products, that he's put his name on these products, whatever they are, and it's like constantly selling you his products, which I unsubscribed. I quit watching him. So don't overdo this, guys. This is maybe 10% or 5% of your content. The rest of your content should be really good, really helpful, really useful information for people. If you approach it that way, you're going to build your audience, and you're going to make a lot more money than if you constantly hit them over the head with new products. Affiliate marketing has to be finessed. Okay, it can't seem like you're shoving products down their throat every single day. And don't sell competing products. Okay, if one week you say, hey, this digital marketing software is Kartra, I think it's great, and that's the one I like, and then the next week you're saying, well, no, use GrooveFunnels is even better now, use that one. They'll see that you're just trying to get them to buy products and you're not serious about it. Make sure you're serious, you're honest about it, and you don't beat them up and constantly try to sell them things. I hope this has helped you out. I hope you understand affiliate marketing a little bit better. I've made a lot of money on affiliate marketing. I have a lot of affiliates that sell my products also. So over the years, it's been very good to me. I know I can't exhaustively talk about everything you do in affiliate marketing. So if you want to ask me a question, please put that in the comments below there. I'll be happy to answer you. Make your questions specific. You know, sometimes I'll have somebody put something in the comments and they'll say, I want to make money online. How do I do that? Well, there's a lot of ways to do that. So make your comments or questions really specific. That way I'll be able to answer you and give you the information that you need. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And don't forget, I do have a $97 course below. All you have to do is click and learn, absolutely free, no credit card required. I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and what? Bell notifications. Turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.